Hey, have you heard about the latest humanoid robot that's really turning heads? It's called LimX Oli. And honestly, it's one of the coolest robots I've seen lately. This full-size humanoid from LimX Dynamics, a Chinese robotics company, is not just some fancy machine. It's designed to be super versatile and smart, and it's meant to push the boundaries of what robots can do in real life, not just in labs. So here's the deal. LimX Oli stands about 1.65 meters tall. That's roughly 5'5" and weighs around 55 kilograms. What makes it really special is that it has 31 degrees of freedom, which basically means it can move a lot like a human can. It's got joints and limbs that let it do some pretty impressive stuff, from lifting weights to dancing. Yeah, dancing. And it's not just for show. This robot is built for serious work and research in AI, robotics, and automation. LimX Dynamics started with earlier models like the LimX CL1, which was mostly a research platform, kind of like a prototype, but Oli takes things to a whole new level. It's designed with a modular hardware and software architecture, so parts can be swapped out or upgraded easily. That means whether you want it to pick up delicate items with a dexterous 5-finger hand or do heavy lifting with stronger grippers, you can customize it. It's like building with Legos, but way more high-tech. One thing I found pretty cool is the Open Software Development Kit, or SDK, that comes with it. This SDK gives developers full access to all the robot's sensors, its joint movements, and even high-level control systems. Imagine you're a robotics researcher or an AI developer. This means you can program your own tasks, use Python, connect third-party tools, and even simulate complex scenarios without needing the physical robot right away. It's a playground for people who want to test and develop new AI algorithms in a real embodied system. And speaking of AI, LimX Oli supports onboard deployment of large language models. So it's not just moving around like a fancy puppet. It can understand natural language commands and make decisions based on complex sensor inputs. This is huge because it means the robot can interact with people and the environment more intelligently, making it useful for everything from manufacturing to logistics to education. You might be wondering, okay, this all sounds great, but how much does a robot like this cost? Surprisingly, it's pretty affordable compared to other humanoid robots out there. The base model starts at around $21,800 or 158,000 RMB, which is kind of a steal if you consider the tech packed into it. Plus, they offer different versions: Light, EDU, and Super, tailored for different needs. The EDU version even comes with a buy one get one free deal for the first 50 buyers, so it's a pretty smart move to get more educational institutions involved. What's fascinating is how LimX Oli can handle tasks that are both physical and complex. There's a video from the company that shows a day in the life of Oli, and it's honestly wild. It starts the day lifting dumbbells at the gym. Yeah, a robot lifting weights, to demonstrate its strength and upper body control. Then it moves on to a kung fu session with a human trainer, showing off its balance and fluid motion. From there, it goes into a warehouse setting where it picks, sorts, and moves items efficiently. And even when it's kicked from behind, yes, someone actually kicked the robot, it recovers its balance instantly and keeps on going without missing a beat. Later, after all the heavy lifting and work, Oli kicks back and dances to some music, showing it's not just about work, but can move with rhythm too. It's a reminder that robots don't have to be stiff or boring. They can have personality and flexibility. What really sets Oli apart is its combination of hardware and software flexibility. The modular design means you can swap out hands and sensors, attach microphones or cameras, or even add LiDAR for advanced sensing. The hardware is paired with cloud-based APIs and over-the-air updates, so developers can keep improving the robot remotely. This approach makes Oli a powerful platform not just for research, but for actual real-world deployment where updates and adaptability matter. If you think about it, humanoid robots like Oli could revolutionize industries that rely on repetitive manual tasks or complex environments where wheeled robots just don't cut it. Warehouses, factories, even offices. These robots could assist humans, increase productivity, and take over dangerous or boring jobs. And LimX Dynamics isn't the only player in this space. The US and other countries are investing heavily in humanoid robotics, with companies like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, and others working on their versions. But what's interesting about LimX Oli is that it comes with a ready-to-use, stable platform that lets teams focus on AI and integration instead of building hardware from scratch. That's a huge time and cost saver. Oh, and if you're curious about where you can see this robot live, LimX Oli debuted at the World Robot Conference in Beijing, and there's also RoboBusiness 2025 in California, where experts discuss lessons learned from humanoid deployments. It's clear that this is a rapidly growing field, and platforms like Oli are helping shape the future. Before I go on, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the future of humanoid robots, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. I've got plenty more videos like this coming your way. Back to Oli. Beyond all the specs and demos, it's the real-world applications that make it exciting. The robot is designed for everything from education, where students can get hands-on experience programming and experimenting, to industrial settings where flexibility and precision matter. Because of its modular, open design, it can be customized for lots of different roles, whether that's picking and sorting in a warehouse, assisting with logistics, or even performing research in labs testing AI-driven behaviors. It's also a big step forward in embodied AI, which is all about combining perception, cognition, and action in a physical body. Many AI systems today are purely software-based, but robots like Oli bring AI into the real world, interacting with people and environments dynamically. That's a game changer for things like warehouse automation, healthcare assistance, and more. And from what we've seen so far, Oli's pretty advanced. It can handle complex movements like squats, rotations, even lying down and getting back up. All things that require balance and coordination. Its hollow actuator design helps keep the robot lightweight but strong, allowing for these dynamic motions and quick recovery from disturbances, like that kick in the back. So, wrapping it all up, LimX Oli isn't just another humanoid robot. It's a flexible, powerful, and surprisingly affordable platform that's pushing embodied AI robotics forward. With modular hardware, open software, and strong real-world demonstrations, it's poised to make an impact in research, education, and industry. If you're curious about the future of robotics, keep an eye on LimX Dynamics and their Oli robot. This is one of those projects that could shape how humans and robots work side by side in the years to come. Thanks for hanging out and geeking out with me about this amazing piece of tech. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. What would you want a robot like Oli to do? And as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates.